we will discuss topic simple harmonic motion for structured question solution part 2. Question number 6, show graph of potential energy in terms of displacement x. The information from the graph is when U is equal to 8 joule, the displacement x is equal to 0.1 meter, and when U is equal to 18 joule, the maximum displacement, which is amplitude, is equal to 0.15 meter. For question 6b, we can calculate period using the potential energy equation, and for 6c, the solution is as shown. From graph U against x in question number 7, when the potential energy is equal to 1 joule, the displacement x is equal to 0.1 meter. So, to determine the frequency of the object, we can use equation of potential energy in terms of displacement. To sketch the graph, there are few important things that you need to take note. The first one is the shape of the graph. Second one is label y and x axis with the correct unit. And if you need to label each graph if more than one graph on the same axis. So for question number 8, the related graph is as shown, where the brown line represents the potential energy, the blue line represents the graph of kinetic energy, and the total energy is represented by the black line. For question number 9, there are few info given in the question. For 9a, to calculate the period of oscillation, we will use equation of omega is equal to 2 pi over t and k is equal to m omega square. For question number 9b, maximum velocity can be calculated using equation a omega, and for 9c, we can use equation for total energy of the system, which is equal to half m omega square a square. Question number 10 is about the oscillation of the mass suspended to the spring vertically. To determine the angular frequency of the oscillation, we use the concept of Hooke's law to get the value for spring constant k, and then calculate the omega using equation k is equal to m omega square. Next, to calculate the period, maximum velocity, and maximum kinetic energy, the solutions are as shown. Question number 11 is related to the simple pendulum oscillating in a leaf. For 11a, to determine the length of the simple pendulum, we use equation of period for simple pendulum. For 11b, T is referred to the tension in the string, and to calculate the frequency of the simple pendulum in the leaf, we use the equation of period of the simple pendulum. For question 12, the main concept is the period for a particle oscillate in the simple harmonic motion is equal to the period of the simple pendulum. The period for particle is equal to 2 pi over angular velocity, where omega is equal to 20 radian per second. For the T of the simple pendulum, we refer to the equation TSP. For the last question, to determine the new mass if the period is reduced to 0.5 second, we just use equation of spring constant K, which is equal to m omega square. When we substitute the value, we will get the new mass is equal to 0.025 kilogram. Okay, that's it for the solution for the topic simple harmonic motion. Thank you for watching, and do support me by clicking the subscribe, like, and share button. I wish you all the best of luck, and thank you very much.